That's one way to settle a patent disagreement. The Verge reports federal judge Richard Posner completely dismissed Apple versus Motorola on Friday. It was an ongoing patent dispute that had been running since 2010. Apple claimed Motorola was in violation of 4 of its patents, and Motorola claimed Apple was violating 1 of its own. The Verge reports Posner appeared frustrated with the lack of any progress. The ruling makes official what Posner floated back in the first week of June. According to the Los Angeles Times, Posner said neither party was able to prove sufficient damages to justify a trial. And as All Things Digital reports, Posner's opinion on the, quote, ridiculous case hasn't changed much. Throughout his order, Posner repeatedly skewers Apple and Motorola and their legal teams for the weakness of their arguments, mistakes in trial preparation, flights of wild conjecture, and their utter failure to present enough evidence to create a triable issue. GigaOM agrees with Posner, saying there was no way Apple had been harmed by Motorola. As a common-sense argument, this holds water. Apple is currently the most valuable company in the world thanks to the runaway success of the iPhone and the iPad, while Motorola is a barely profitable smartphone company that was quite grateful to be rescued from dire straits by Google's desire for Android patent protection. Posner's ruling has shut this chapter of intellectual property debate, but Foss Patents wonders if it will contribute to lasting patent peace the way Posner wanted it to. Lawmakers and judges alike can only make decisions in their own jurisdictions, but here we are talking about global disputes. Companies pursuing injunctive relief are going to increasingly file their lawsuits in jurisdictions that don't have the common law notion of equitable discretion. Foss Patents says a trend toward de-weaponized patents could be underway within a few years. Until then, Apple and Motorola will keep at it. The two companies have litigation pending in various foreign courts and at the International Trade Commission. For Newsy, I'm Nathan Byrne. Multiple sources, the real story.